have Xiaomi Redmi Note 11, and today I'm going to show you how to enable custom watermark in camera on this device. So firstly, let's open camera, tap here, go to its settings, and then go to the watermark. And when you have device watermark enabled, you can set up custom watermark. So let's enter, for example, this text. And now every photo we take will be marked with its custom watermark. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.